In 2018, CBD became legal in all 50 states. Since that time, the market has exploded with interest. In this video, you'll learn about the physiological effects of CBD on the human body in simple language so that you can understand why CBD is so important for the human body. But before we begin, please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can learn of new videos and discounts on our CBD products. In a nutshell, pharmaceutical drugs work at the level of the symptoms and not the systems, which causes enormous strain on your human physiology. Conversely, CBD works at the level of the unbalance in your system and brings about balance to your whole body. In our central nervous system, the cell surface is covered with receptors for CBD. When CBD binds to that receptor, it sends a message into the cell which travels all the way down into the nucleus of the cell, where the intelligence of our entire physiology is contained within our chromosomes, down to the actual DNA. Genes are the codes for every protein that our bodies make, including all the signaling molecules that run our physiology, such as our neurotransmitters that run our nervous system, our hormones which run our endocrine system, and our cytokines which run our immune system. CBD modulates the transcription of over 1,100 genes that make the signaling molecules that naturally reduce inflammation and restore homeostasis to both our immune system and our central nervous systems. Our immune system has 350 different signaling molecules on it. If you affect any one of those molecules, it's going to shift all 350 of those other molecules. This is why trying to understand how different prescriptions work together within our body can become very complex and almost impossible to understand even for the best doctors. When you introduce CBD to our amazingly complex physiology in the immune system, the cascade of homeostasis trickles down through all 350 of those molecules. CBD causes a cascade of homeostasis through our entire central nervous system and our immune system. So why is this happening? The receptors in our physiology for CBD is called the endocannabinoid system. There are more receptors for CBD in our body than any other kind of receptor. So the endocannabinoid system is truly the largest network of its kind throughout our entire physiology. Our bodies are filled with CBD receptors in our central nervous system, cardiovascular system, lymph system, our bone marrow where the cells are actually manufactured, and our immune organs, the intestine, spleen, and bladder. So what? Why is this important to you? Because of the environment and the conditions you live under, your central nervous system and immune system are inflamed. Our physiological systems are under assault from environmental toxins. In addition, the average diet, which is high in sugar, causes an inflamed gut that allows certain bacterial infestations to get into our blood. So what kind of negative symptoms do all these things cause? If your immune system is inflamed, you might be suffering from autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, inflamed bowel disease, lupus and thyroid or fibromyalgia, or even MS. And your skin, psoriasis and eczema, and all other sorts of chronic infections. Now let's take a look at your central nervous system. If it's inflamed, you may suffer from brain fog, migraines, epilepsy, anxiety and PTSD, ADHD, autism, and insomnia. 150 years ago, these kinds of diseases were rare, but because of the ongoing assault to our systems, these diseases have become very common. So if you're suffering from any of these conditions, CBD might provide you with tremendous healing and relief right through your own natural endocannabinoid system that brings homeostasis to your immune system and your central nervous system. If you'd like to introduce CBD oil to your routine, please click the link below. Our CBD oil has been extracted from industrial hemp grown on our farm in Central Oregon and has been formulated to efficiently absorb to the receptors in your cells. If you've learned something about how CBD can bring about positive results through your endocannabinoid system in your body, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions, please post those in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.